Sige, basta na yun. Sige na, basta.
Hi, Ma. I'm proud to say that I've graduated from my high school year. And this I offer to you as a request for all the things and support that you gave to me all those years. A year with full of different experiences, memories, challenges, excitement, and most of all mixed emotions that I felt. And frankly speaking, I surpassed all of them because of your encouragement, love, and care. I am very grateful to have a mother like you. Moreover, thank you for the sacrifices you've done. Hopeful that you will not change but continue giving me support, strength, love, care, advices because I'm going to the world where I will encounter more about our reality in life. Once again, thank you and may God bless you all. Happy 43rd birthday.
Sunod, dire, sunod. Yap, sir, alab, sige na, lab. Sige na, lab.
Alam mo, parihan mo kung gumawa din na
Sige, yap, sige, lab, sige na, lab. Sige.
Ako ba? Happy birthday, Mama. Mama, thank you. Ako sa dagat. Sa pagkaon sa pag-alaga sa aking thank you. Imo ko pagduwa cellphone at sa ito'y imong ipalit para alaga na mo iyapyap brown.
Yung also dito ang happy
Birthday.
Yap, yeah. So, ano sa din? Sige, Mama, happy birthday.
Mama,
birthday
taon anim.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Sa mga duwaan.
Sa Monster versus Elliot.
Salamat sa ligo ug dagat.
Salamat sa ligo ug dagat.
Salamat sa support.
Salamat sa support.
Sunod.
Birthday.
Sunod. Sige na, ikaw na sa grill. Sige na yun. Buwang sige na doon.
Ay, kayo pa.
Happy birthday, Mama. Salamat sa lahat sa iyong ginawa sa akin. Nagpasalamat ko sa Diyos, ikaw ay iyong inahan. Happy birthday, and I wish you have many more birthdays to come to you with good health, of course. May you all peace in all our hearts, and God bless. Happy birthday, Mama.
Ano ba din mauwaw? Akyat ng buang. Thank you for all the support that you've given to me. I'm wishing that all of you will continue to have a good attitude and character towards your parents and to all other people. And then, I'm wishing you also that you will have a good life, a good family, a good career. And I'm so proud of you because you're giving me good morale.
What morale?
Again, thank you.